What's up, babies? It's your girl TATICHANEL back with another video, and I know y'all can hate me all you want. I am so sorry. I know I have not posted in forever, but some things happen in life, and I'm gonna get to them, kind of explain what I've been going through. But I'm here finally with the video. I did a full set, super cute, with some nail art, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. So first off, real quick, we're starting off with the colored acrylic, which is a cover powder from my website, and this color is ONLYFANS. So it's like a peachy, and it has um a little bit of like shimmer. Super cute. Okay, so let me tell you some tea. So since summer started, I've been traveling a lot, so that's one thing. That's why I have not posted. Been to Mexico, Houston, just got back from Atlanta. So, your girl has been traveling a lot. So that has taken time away from all this YouTube stuff. Second, I'm gonna keep it real. Uh, I gave up. Yes. I gave up. One second. This color right here is strawberry milk. By the time you see this video, it's available on my website right now. It has been sold out for like about a month. It's finally back. You need to get this color because it's gonna run out again. It's the perfect pink. It's just the best color. Just look at it. Amazing. So go get you some. Anyways, I did give up. Your girl gave up. And what I mean about giving up is, well, if y'all don't know, my Instagram got deleted. Yes, the one which was underscore TatiChanel underscore. My whole nail page where I ran my whole brand got deleted. And let me tell y'all, I feel like, people prayed on my downfall, and it actually happened. I cried. To this day, I'm very, trying to get back on my feet. It did affect me in a lot of ways. It affected my business. Like, we weren't getting that much orders. It affected my YouTube channel. It affected my clientele. That Instagram ran basically like my money. Social media is where my income was. So, those people that preyed on my downfall, they won. Supposedly, Instagram told me somebody reported me. I tried so many times to get my Instagram back. Nothing. Emailed them about 50 times telling them, look, I'm a YouTuber. I have a business. I need this page back up. Nope, they did not care. So yeah, my Instagram got officially deleted. I can't get it back. So the girls, whoever, the girls, the guys, but I'm pretty sure it was a girl, whoever reported me, y'all won. Y'all prayed on my downfall. You got it. But let me tell you something. I'm back on my feet, and I'm back. I'm more stronger now mentally. It was honestly, guys, I cried so much. I cried so much. I gave up on my business. My website didn't care. People would message me, oh, like, are you going to restock this? I'd be like, yeah, soon. I did not care, guys. I didn't want nothing. I didn't want to do YouTube no more. Honestly, nails, I was lacking. I would take one client a week. It just made me so sad. To this day, I get a little emotional because, I worked so hard for the platform that I have right now. It wasn't handed to me. I worked really hard for it. But, again, I told myself, you know what? This should tell you that, you have people watching you. You need to do better for yourself. You need to get stronger. Don't let this affect you. So, I'm here now. Yesterday actually was my birthday. Your girl is officially 21 years old. We finally legal. But again, yesterday was my birthday, and I told myself I'm 21. It's time to make it out. We're gonna make it out. So right here, a day later, I am here making a video for y'all. And it's just gonna this just made me better. It was a lesson, but also, um, I felt like God did this also to, prove a point to just make me stronger, and that there is bad people, because I always think people are all good, you know. So we're here again. It's all good. But I need y'all babies to please go follow my Instagram. My Instagram is nails by TATICHANEL. Please, everything will be in the description box. Please go support my website. It would mean a lot. Also, I want to get a couple orders so I can make a packaging video. I know y'all love those. I did upgrade my website. We have new colors in stock now. We also have croc charms. We have fur slippers. We have a lot of things, bracelets, a lot of things that are in stock right now. So please just, even it's $5, it means the world to me to get an order from y'all. So please support me. You know, this did take a toll on me, but I have more people who support me than people that hate me. So thank you, babies, so much. That's what happened. So I just been trying to recover from this whole situation, but I'm here. So while that was being said, you know, a whole life story, let's get into the nails. So even though I'm going to put it in the description box below, I'm just going to tell you what I'm using just in case y'all were listening really deep into my story. I am using strawberry milk from my acrylic collection, and I'm also using ONLYFANS. ONLYFANS, I only have a couple, like maybe like 6 containers left. After that, I don't know if I'm going to bring the color back, but it's one of my favorite colors. Anyways, that's what we're using. We're using my liquid monomer, which is, I believe, $35 on my website for 16 ounces. Good price. And it is universal, meaning you can use it with any acrylic brand. I'm telling you because I don't just use my brand. You know, I use Nail Supply Glamour, Not Polish. What else do I use? Mia Secret, which like the clear I use the most, Valentino, Young Nails. So my monomer works with everything. Also, I know I'm gonna get questions on what I prepped with. Yes, I did prep her nails. I did primer, dehydrator, all that good stuff. The dehydrator, I'm gonna start selling it soon. I just have to get my bottles for it. And the primer is the Protein Bond by Young Nails, and I use 2 coats. So I start from pinky to thumb, let that kind of dry a little bit, and then again pinky, girl, pinky to thumb. So 2 times. Ooh, couldn't talk right there. Anyways, the brush, babies, it's from, I don't know, I got it sent to me. I can't tell you, but I believe it's a size 14 or 16. Not too sure. What else? The blue towels that y'all see me wiping with, I get a lot of questions. Yes, you could find, they're kind of pricey, not gonna lie. You can find them at Walmart on the car section. So like all the cleaning supplies for the cars, you can find them there. They come like in singles or like a pack of 6. I think I buy the pack of 6 or like 12. It's expensive, but I like them because they hold all the moisture. So yeah, I'm gonna watch. Oh girl, I can't even talk. I'm gonna let you watch the, well, I already finished acrylic application. I believe we're going to file next. And this is just acrylic application, you know, very, very smooth. You know, your girl did her thing. So right here, ooh, let me tell you a secret. Okay, I'm about to change your nail game, okay? You know, if you go back to my videos, y'all know that I used to use my 100 grit hand file. Don't do that no more. I regret telling y'all. Use the 80 grit file. That will change the way your nail looks. So if you're trying to find some, I have some on my website for $1. These last forever, and yeah, they're just amazing. They're just the bomb.com. 80 grit hand files. They're the best. Don't file with 100 no more. So as you could see, I'm putting the nail downwards and filing just to make sure you get that really crisp shape. Whatever you do on one side, you do to the other. Make sure you look at it straight so you could see if one side is, you know, fatter than the other. And then that's what I mean. Keep the nail super leveled at a 90 degree so you could get that really nice shape. Also, these nail tips help with the shape tremendously. These nail tips are from my website too. These are the only ones that are in the nail tip section, so they'll be easy to find. And you guys know I use those nail tips for every client. Just love them. And they help me create my tapered squares super, super quick. So next, I'm going to do some e-filing. I'm using my ceramic bit. Y'all know I like ceramic more than metal. Ceramic takes longer to get hotter and burn the client than metal. So this one's just a cylinder. I sell that on my website, $7 as well. And yeah, you know, we're going from side to side to remove any lumps and cellulites. And then we go around the cuticle to seal the cuticle. So I'm going to just let you watch the filing part and then I'll be back.
I gotta snap. I don't even let her speak because I need to speak to her after the video. Snap.
After the video.
If I'm horny, I ain't gonna lie. You're just like too nice for me. Like you wouldn't turn me on. It's just like,
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie.
She's really pretty, but
I need to taste this. Not too tasty, but if this just goes cool, yeah.
Okay. It's alright.
I'll give it a try.
You should do that video, dude. That would be funny.
I would get all the military guys.
For real.
Military edition.
To like smash your past.
Okay, so after we finish filing, we're gonna buff the nails super good so all the scratches can even out and be really, really smooth. After this, I do send my clients to go wash their hands, no soap, just with water and the manicure brush that I give them. And make sure they scrub really good to get that dust off. Next, this is what they should look like. Super clean. Look at that shape of the colors. I'm absolutely loving this. And then shout out to Nail Addict. Whoop whoop. I love them. I support their brand 100%. I love their polishes. They're like how. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're using White Addict and then I believe Marry Me and then the 496 D&D. And I mixed the two pinks together to make that really nice, like creamy pink. So this is what I do, and that's why I love Nail Addict. First of all, Nail Addict's pigment, y'all, period. Like their pigment is there. So I like the color of the D&D, but the D&Ds are very like watery. I don't know what's wrong with them. So I got some of the color from the D&D and I mixed it with the Nail Addict Marry Me, which is that pink color, and it just made the perfect consistency. Cause I love Nail Addict, period, but the color wasn't where I wanted it to be. So that's what I did. Now we took the D&D hot pink. You could take any hot pink. I didn't show it in the video. But also I support Nail Addict 100%. They support me. They always reach out to me. So, yes, I absolutely love them. Also, I don't know if it's just me or if I'm weird, but Nail Addict, their polishes do not smell at all. I know they are vegan brand. I don't even know how you could do that, but they're it, okay? So yeah, make sure to use my code to get you some, at least get one. Their white is probably one of the best I've ever tried. As you can see in the video, it was like all gross and nasty because that's the only white that I use. I've tried the D&D white, not my favorite. So the White Addict from Nail Addict is it. So now let me tell you this trick with this little heart. My client came with me and said, I want this little, with this little heart. I said, girl, what? First of all, girl, I am not a nail artist. I cannot draw on nails, but I made it happen. So I used the nail bit, the back of it, and drew like the little dot heart. You could get a nail dotting tool, and this will help. Then I got my brushes, which are from Amazon. I'll leave everything down below. And try to make it more into a heart shape. you know, a little bit more like thicker on the sides and everything. So a big tip that I can say while doing nail art is don't do it too thick, because then it's gonna start peeling under the lamp. So make sure you cure in between 30 seconds at least, and then go ahead and then do your second coat and then the rest of the other colors. So the heart is down, that's the easiest part. Then you're just going to go with the other colors and trace it one by one. So each color cure, go ahead, do the second coat of that color, cure, then do your other color. So please cure in between. So I'm going to just let you watch this nail art. Super basic, but super cool. Super cool design. First time doing it. I think it came out super bomb. Another tip I could give is make sure, for all my people that shake a lot or don't have like a stable hand, is lay your pinky on your left hand. As you can see there, my pinky is balanced with my other hand to make sure I don't shake and I can do some very clean line work. Okay, so I'll see you at the end of the video. So next, you know, I'm using the TATICHANEL No Wipe Top Coat, my favorite ever. And y'all, look at this shine, baby. These nails came out super, super cute. Didn't think I was going to do such a good job. You know, I always surprise myself. Look at the heart. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. So for the ring finger, we just added a little Swarovski, a light pink one. Thought it was super cute, and we kept that matte. Yes, I did put a matte gel top coat, but I didn't show it in the video. I just showed the glossy. So remember, this one's a a no wipe top coat, so you don't have to wipe after. And look at this shine. Beautiful. So make sure to go cop a gel top coat, and it's going to be your favorite, I promise. Make sure to wipe down the sides. I go underneath the nail with my finger just to make sure that the gel doesn't drip on the side and ruin my shape. But that's what I did to all of them. Well, that's it for this video, babies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Please go follow my Instagram. Go shop the brand. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post another video. So I'll see y'all till next time. Bye, babies.